welcome to Mai's Moment, and today I'm going to share with you how I create this amazing look. I was inspired by Ariana Grande on the video Rain on Me, so let's get started and I will show you how to create this. I just want to let you know I already did my eyebrows. If you want to learn how to create this eyebrow, make sure to check out my other video on how I did it in detail. And I just want to let you know I did use a different product, which is the Anastasia, and this is a deep brown pomade and in a medium brown that I'm using. So it's a really good product. The reason why, because it does last longer. Don't try to rub it because it does go out, but if you don't touch it, it will last all day.
We are going to start off with the most important process is putting in moisturizers, and this is from Etude House, and it's a great product that I enjoy to put on every day. The most important process here is with applying sunscreens, and this is from Etude House. I really enjoy this product because it does not break me out.
So if you have an acne skin and you do not like to use any sunscreen, I do recommend this one because I do get breakout if there's some type of ingredients that cause my skin to break out when I wear it. And we are not forgetting our neck, because that is the second part of your body will age quickly. So we're targeting that.
Before I'm going in with the eyeshadows, I'm going to apply the Urban Decay Eyeshadows Primer first.
When I put this on, I do feel that my color stay longer, and also the texture is super easy to apply, so it's really smooth. And because if you applying on your surface of your eye, sometimes there's a crack or just a weird spot or even a crease, and so this is going to help you, not having the crease. For me, I don't really have that problem because I have a model lid, but if you have a double lid, then I'm pretty sure that does happen to you, or even hooded eye. So that part is done. We are moving on. So today I'm using a Too Faced Peach. So just use what you have. You don't always have to go out and buy it. The smell of this is great. If you have this color, something similar to what I'm doing, use it. Don't try to over here go buy this particular palette because most palette is very similar. First color, I'm going into the Peaches in Cream. It's more like a nude color. And so I'm starting that toward the corner right here. And by the way, I'm using M456 Morphe brushes, and I'm applying it.
Since this color does not show real well, so I'm just going to reapply more and more just to pack it in so it will not fade away and it will last all day. The next color I'm going in is Puree, and it's a light brown colors, and it's very softened and I love it so much. Go ahead and blend it out toward the mid of your eyes because we are using a different colors at the end of the outer corners. So just applying with this brushes back and forth until it's going to be smooth and flawless.
Last color, we are going to use pink.
The next process I'm going to pick up the color is Candy Peach, and I'm going to apply in the outer corner of my eyes with the Morphe brush, which is M433, and I'm just targeting toward the end and using a windshield motions to blend it in all together so we can look beautiful and flawless at the same time.
And then go up a little bit more. Don't be afraid. Just go ahead and blending it out is going to make your eye an opening effect. And it's going to brighten your eyes and make it prettier.
I'm going to reapply the color Peach and Cream on the inner corner of my eye to brighten up that area again. I'm using Ofra Nikkietutorials Trio highlighters, and I'm picking up the colors Glated Donuts. I'm applying on my eyebrow bones, and this is going to cast light reflections whenever you turn.
I'm going to dip in this right here, Glated Donut, and I'm also applying under the corner of my eye, a little bit just right here, not too much. So I'm going to use a different brushes. This is M124. Dip it in the Brie, and I'm going to color on the bottom, just to make sure that everything going to pull together, nothing is leaving behind. Like that.
Place your makeup sticky pad to where you desire, to where you're going to draw at the end of your eyeliner. I'm using the It's Cosmetics Superhero Liners, and this is a really great product. It's very rich and great textures. Before taking out the sticky, go ahead and draw the black eyeliners under your eyelid, and it's going to create a bold and dramatic look that we want to target.
Like that, you just created a perfect line. Don't worry, at this point we are going to trace over it, but make sure you have an outline. And I'm going to get a scissors, and I'm going to cut this point off like this. It's also depending on eye shapes, because my eye is smaller, but I have such a great lid, and so this would be perfect for me. And I want it just a little bit smaller right here. I can do this and that. That's how I'm going to do it. So I'm going to take the sticker off. Be extremely patient at this point because it's not easy.
Gently placing the area that you want to cover and using a dark black eyeliner to trace out the outer edge. The secret to this success is really don't breathe, and if you need to catch some air, just go ahead and catch some air before you starting, and go again until you completely trace out the line. Careful when you take out the sticky pad, and go ahead and using eyeliner to trace it again to make a perfect line. Next product, I'm using Urban Decay Heavy Metal, and this color is Gold and Silver. It's a beautiful glitters that you're going to trace it on top of your black eyeliners, and you can trace it more and more as needed until you get a perfect line. Don't forget to apply it under your eyes, and be careful because you don't want the glitter to be in your eye. It's going to sting. If you need to take off any makeup or take off the glitters, this is the time. Use either a wipes or a Scotch tape to take it out. Next, I'm going to apply the eyeliners on top of my lid. There's no need to create a dramatic wings, just a little bit, because we're going to apply false eyelash on top of it.
And for this dramatic look, I did attach double eyelashes. There's a video of how I put on false eyelashes. Make sure to check it out if you want to learn how. And I just want, since I'm reusing it, I can take the glue off. And this is how you're really going to do it, is that peeling this glue exactly just like this.
I'm using Duo Quick Set Eyelashes Adhesive, and this is such a good product that's going to help my false eyelashes remain on my eyes all day.
I'm going to put a diamond right under my eye, and I bought this package from AliExpress. I'm going to link that information below. But this is what I got in that package right here. I hope you guys can see it. like is a little rhinestone, which is super cute. And for the glue, I'm going to use my Duo glue, and this is like really great products right here. You can use a toothpick or something like what I'm using right now. I'm going to dip it glue on here, place it right in the middle, right there, a dot.
Grab a tweezers and place the rhinestone where you have put on the eyelashes glue. I'll be using the Essence Volume Stylish Mascara and apply right into my real eyelashes to merge in the fake eyelashes.
I'm going to work on my other eye and I'll be right back.
Before I'm applying foundations, I'm going in with the primer, and this is the Porefessionals. This is a great product to minimize your pores and also creating a flawless look. Using a Morphe Beauty Sponge and applying with the Missha's BB Cream, this is creating a perfect illusion that your skin is flawless. And using a tapping motions because we want to press on the product, not dragging it, because it's going to create a flawless look. The next process I'm going to do is contouring. I'm using Tarte Shape Tape, and this color is light neutral. I have a video that dedicating for contour, so for now I'm gonna skip through this. Make sure to check out my other contents for more information. The next process I'm going to do is bake my face. I'm using Air Sponge Loose Face Powders, and this is a translucent powders where you're going to place on top of your concealer, and the point of this is to help you minimize any crease, and it's going to help your makeup remain fresh all day. And next I'm using Hoola Beauty. This is a bronzer and it's a great colors and does not make you look orange. If you want to learn how I applied this, check out my video 101 how to do this, and it's going to be in more detail. After I contours my nose, I'm going to use the Nikkietutorials highlighters, and I'm applying on the Gladed Donut to place it on top of my bridge and also the tip of my nose, creating a taller looking nose.
Okay, so if you just like this look, keep it the way it is, but I want just to have a party and fun makeup, so I'm going extra than that, and I'm going to link this products below, so if you are interested, then you can, so I'm going to link this products below. If you're interested in purchasing it, you can purchase yourself. Just let you know, all this is not sponsored. I bought it with my own money. And I just really want to try this products because it's super pretty. Look at that. Oh my gosh, obsessed.
Before I'm going in with the glitters, I'm using the Ofra Nikkietutorials, and the color is going to be Space Baby. And we are targeting on our cheekbones, and we're going to lit like a disco ball.
And then I'm going to highlight this region right here, like that. And then I'm going to do like a V shape right here, which means that when I turn, you can see that there's a highlight part right here, which is pretty cool. And then I'm going to put on glitter. Oh my gosh, I am obsessed with this glitter. I don't know about you, but I am super obsessed. Okay, so I would like to have more colors and more fun, so I also got this package right here. Is have multiple different varieties of sticker. It's not stickers, but it's confetti or something like that. And I'm going to put a star because it's more fun. Star, where is it? And it's still wet, which means it's pretty sticky. And so I'm going to take this product right here and I'm going to put it on. Oh, Is that fun or what? It's like a filter, you put it on your face.
Don't forget to apply some blushes for this look. I'm using ColourPop in this more of like a rosy colors, and I'm targeting on my apple cheek. Following blushes, I'm going to apply on my Kissable lips using Revlon's matte lipstick, and this is a really pretty colors.
Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video like I was creating this look. And make sure to click like, that will help my channels, and don't forget to subscribe for more upcoming video. Don't forget to ring the bell, because when I upload the video, it's going to let you know. And as always, love yourself, stay motivated. Peace out.